What's up, everybody? It's Black Friday, and I have a lot of tool deals for you, but it's going to be a shorter video than it has been. I'm going to go through them fast. But I do want to say, now you might be wondering, Chris, why you at Best Buy? You do tool deals. Yes, but Best Buy does have a lot of things that can be considered tools. We just talked about the Metabo HPT job site speaker. I think that this Sonos Roam might give it a run for its money. We'll see. The old Play 3 is about neck and neck with it, though, so I don't know. But this is on sale for $127, and the Sonos Play 1 is on sale. But forget the Sonos, though. Just Best Buy. The whole point is Best Buy. Retail Me Not is 10% cash back at Best Buy, period. So if you need anything from Best Buy this holiday season, get it today. 10% cash back. Plus, it also has Rakuten, so you get the $40 bonus if you new. So if you don't know, these are free cashback extensions. You can sign up for them. You can get the app on your phone, or you can download the web extension. After you use the link in the description, gotta use the link in the description to get the $40 bonus. And then have at it over here at Best Buy. If you've already gotten that $40 bonus, fine. Use Retail Me Now. It's not gonna be any extra bonus for signing up, but it's 10% cash back. And then check your credit cards, check your bank accounts to see if it's something else going on with Best Buy, if they giving extra money. There you go there. So moving on to the actual tool deals. Over at Acme Tools, we have this right angle drill. It's the M12, and I honestly, it's okay. Now, I showed you guys this Metabo HPT drill maybe 2 months ago, and it has a handle like the Makita does, and it was like $89. So this is significantly better. I mean, it's the 18 volt, but I think this is even better than Milwaukee's 18 volt right angle drill. This does like 1900 RPM, whereas the M12 Milwaukee here does 800 RPM. I mean, I'm gonna make a video. You could visibly see it spinning slower at full blast, but this comes with a free M12 starter kit. It's not a bad drill by any stretch of the mind, but it's just not as good as that Metabo that was once the same price. But right now, that was $89. But right now, you get this plus an M12 starter kit. So you get a 2 amp hour battery with a charger for $99. Very good deal there. Moving on, going back rather to Amazon. I don't know how I forgot this. But we have this Bosch Freak. It's the 1600 and it's pretty weak. Not gonna lie to you. But it comes with a 2 amp hour battery. It comes with a charger and a bag. $69. I mean, it's not that terrible. I mean, it probably legitimately produces like 1,300 inch pounds as an impact driver and, impact wrench all in one. There you go. $69 for the whole kit. Moving on, one of you guys mentioned this Bosch reciprocating saw for $199 over at Amazon. Now it seems to be brand new because nobody else has it. It has a 1 1/8 inch stroke, and it looks pretty good. It has an orbital function, has a little raptor hook up there, and brushless and all of that. But I mean, I have no experience with it at all because again, I think this thing literally just came out. There's no reviews and nothing on it. But I'm just putting it out there, letting you know that thing exists. But right now, it's a lot of things you can get that comes with free batteries and all that. But just maybe keep it on your radar. Moving on, we going back to Acme Tools, and we have this M12 stubby for $199 with a free 4 amp hour XC starter kit. So you get this, you get the M12 charger, and you get a 4 amp hour battery for $199. Also, very, very good deal there. If you want this from Home Depot, it's like three something. So like $349, I think, for the same kit over at Home Depot. So moving on, we have this DeWalt Atomic one-handed circular saw. Now I talked about this like maybe last week. $129 is what it cost at Home Depot last year, just tool only. But you get a free starter kit with it over at Acme Tools. I kind of showed you the page yesterday, but I'm kind of singling this out because again, this is a good deal, very good deal. It comes with a 3 amp hour battery and a charger for the $129, and usually it's just $129 tool only on sale during the holidays. So pick that up too, and it's a very, 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 very good circular saw. I actually use this more. I mean, I don't use any other circular saw. This usually gets the job done. And if it can't get the job done because something's too big, I just use a miter saw or something like that. But this has been excellent, man. I love this little thing. Easy to carry around. It's wonderful. Moving on. Yes, we know this jigsaw is awful. It's not probably trash or anything like that. But I just want to show it to you again, $99, and you get a free starter kit as well, the 2 amp hour battery and a charger. Just putting it out there if you need something real quick, down and dirty, out in the field or something like that, and then and you don't really care what happened to it. So there you go. Moving on over to Home Depot. We going all the way down to the end of this line because we have deals, 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 deals. All right, so Home Depot has special buy of the day, and it's a lot of good deals. So let's just go ahead and get into them. I opened them all up, but I'm gonna still leave a link to this page because there's a lot of things I didn't talk about, like all the storage stuff, and I didn't talk about the accessories and things like that. Mainly just the power tools today. So let's move on. We have this right angle ratchet. I just talked to you guys about this yesterday. I literally told you that this thing is only like 179 tool only, which is too much for it, in my opinion. $99 or $89 isn't bad for it at all. Even $79 is excellent for that tool. But here's a whole kit. You get a battery. I think it's a 1.5 amp hour battery, a screwdriver, the right angle ratchet, charger, bag, $99. Crazy. Moving on, we have this Ryobi impact wrench. Yes, Ryobi impact wrench. I'm not sure what the angle is here. Is this a compact? It looks super long, but it's just a little bit longer than the base here. It's like a large, compact, small, mid torque, but it produces 300 foot-pounds. It doesn't say fastening or loosening. I don't know. So it comes with a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. This is not a high output battery, so you're not going to squeeze all the power out of this thing, but it should still be okay. And for $89, you really can't beat that at all. This would be perfect for lug nuts and all that other good stuff. And doing general things on the car. So there you go, $89 for that kit. Good deal. More Ryobi. We have this 7.25 inch miter saw with a jigsaw. I actually heard this jigsaw is pretty good, and I've used miter saws from Ryobi before, and they were pretty good to me. They work well. I have any problem. I used it to build some stairs. So, and that was a long time ago too. That was like 7 years ago. So they should have gotten better. 119, incredible price right there. So there you go with that. Moving on, we have this DeWalt impact driver drill combo. It's not a hammer drill; it's just a regular drill. But again, that's cool because it doesn't have a handle or anything like that, or no anti-kickback. So you don't really need the hammer in this. And it comes with this atomic oscillating tool. 199. Usually, like right now, you have this kit alone, the impact driver and the drill, for sale for 149. So extra $50, you get this atomic oscillating tool. That's a good deal. I've heard good things about this oscillating tool. It's not as good as the XR, no, but I mean it's not bad either. So 199 for all three of these items with the two 1.3 amp hour batteries, the charger in the bag. Man, that's a good deal. Moving on. We have this Milwaukee Rocket Light, 1400 lumens for this little one. And you have a high output 2.5 amp hour battery. I still feel like this is weird for this. This will still run for a decent amount of time though. This sips battery, but this is still weird. This is really what you want to use for your other M12 fuel power tools. So 139 for that deal right there. This light is on sale during this holiday season for 179, tool only. So with this battery, that's a really, really good deal. Moving on. All right, we have more Milwaukee. We have the M18 Rocket Light, which is $229 by itself. You have two 6 amp hour batteries, high output at that, and a Sawzall. And you have the fuel reciprocating saw. This one is not the super Sawzall with the orbital function, but still, it's a good reciprocating saw with a 1.25 inch stroke. So $319 for all of that. Like I said, this is $229 itself. I think these are normally $200, and I think this is like normally $199 or $229 or $249. Excellent deal right there. Moving on. This deal is unique because this chainsaw, you could find this on Amazon for $260 right now. And you have your two high output batteries, and you have this impact wrench that I don't like. See, because I don't like this, I don't feel like this is worth it. You get what I'm saying? You're paying almost $200 for these batteries. It's not a bad deal if you love this impact wrench. If you want the impact wrench, this is not terrible. But I don't, if you went to like Acme Tools or even bought this from Home Depot, this would be like $329. And then you're looking at $110 for these two batteries and this impact driver, which is not bad at all. That's a really good deal. But again, like I said, you could find it kind of cheap on Amazon, this chainsaw. And so, that's up to you. But again, you're not going to have the full-blown warranty if you get it from Amazon either, because it might be a third party or whatever. I don't think Milwaukee warrants those. They'll warrant them off of the serial number, but I've heard many stories of people buying tools off Amazon and Milwaukee saying, no, it is not covered under warranty. So if you're getting it from an authorized retailer like Home Depot or Acme Tools, it's a good deal. But anyway, I'm just leaving that there for you. Moving on, you have this rear handle circular saw, plus again that fuel reciprocating saw needs two batteries, $379. Good deal. Don't need to spend any more time on it. Good deal. Is this the best circular saw in class? No, but it's good. So $379, good deal. Moving on. This Ryobi kit, and it's overwhelmingly brushed. But, and it's $369. You're getting 10 tools, 10-ish tools. You're getting a drill, which is not terrible. It produces 515 inch-pounds. And I think at like 1900 RPM, it's not bad. This impact driver, let's just go look at the specs. I'll walk you through them. 1750 RPMs. That's not terrible with the 2-speed gearbox. 1800 inch-pounds for the impact driver. That's good. Will it do that? Probably not, but probably maybe 1500. And that's still very, very, very good. You get an orbital sander, you get a jigsaw, you get a circular saw, you get a brad nailer. The brad nailer, y'all. You get the brad nailer. You get a reciprocating saw that has a 1-inch stroke. Not terrible. For a lower end reciprocating saw. Angle grinder that produces 9,000 RPM. That's up there. That's not bad at all. Oscillating tool that produces 20,000 oscillations per minute. That's also very good. That's equivalent to Milwaukee. Is it going to be as nice and powerful? I don't know. I don't think so. But, hey, that's not terrible. And you have a light. The light produced like 200. It was 280 lumens. Again, that's not terrible. You're getting a lot for $369. A charger, two 4-amp-hour batteries, and a 1.5-amp-hour battery. Hey, that's a complete kit right there. If you're just doing light stuff around the house, there you go. This is a complete kit. You don't need anything else. You don't need to buy nothing else ever. Moving on. All right. Now we have this Ridgid impact wrench, and it's the kit. So this is a mid-torque with 650 foot-pounds breakaway and 500 foot-pounds fastening. 4-amp-hour high-output battery, charger case. $149. As far as mid-torques go, that is cheap as I don't know what. I would do this all day. That's a really good deal. So that's it for Home Depot. Moving on over to Zoro. Just reminding y'all again about this light. It's good. It's a good deal. This is like literally, I'm about to say it's literally half off. It is. It's literally half off. Plus, if you have Bank of America, you get an additional 15% off when you use your debit or credit card. But you got to go log into your Bank of America account and add that deal to your card. Then you come over here. Retail me now at 7% cash back. But guess what? Today, Rakuten is backed at 8% cash back. And remember, if it's your first time, you get that extra $40 bonus. So you're going to get the $40 bonus. If you're new, you're going to get the $40 bonus. And if you're not new, you'll get the 8% cash back here plus the 15% cash back over at Bank of America if you have that. So there is a deal right there. Moving on over to Max Tool. We have this crown stapler with a 1.5-amp-hour battery, charger, a bag for $99. It's a good deal. $99 for the whole kit. $99. There you go. I have the stapler too. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Now going on over to Lowe's again. I meant to bring this up yesterday. It was so many deals I forgot, and hopefully you still have that 15% off Lowe's gift card from Dollar General Lots of you guys have been buying this blower. You buy this blower, you get two 2 amp hour batteries, the new generation that has the battery indicators on there, plus the charger for $99. Plus, again, you have Retail Me Not is 8% cash back still over at Lowe's. And again, of course, if you new, do Rakuten first and get the $40 bonus with the 3% cash back. But if you already did this, again, do the 8% cash back. And hopefully, if you still can get or got the 15% cashback gift card from Lowe's, you can use that. And this is coming out super duper cheap. What, like 60 something, $70? And if you did $40, I mean, it's 50 something dollars for all this. Crazy. All right, moving on. You can tell I'm getting tired. I'm crazy. Moving on, we have the Metabo HBT Bluetooth radio. It is very good. It sounds better than the Sonos Play 3. So I'll just leave it at that. Sounds better than the Sonos Play 3, and it's Bluetooth. So there you go with that. Or like right around it. It's a close call. It's a close call. And this is smaller, more portable, and you obviously can run off battery. It's better than the Play 3, and the Play 3 is what, $299? It's $99 plus these batteries plus this charger, and it has a lifetime warranty. Even though on here it says 1 year. Biggest day on the box, it says lifetime warranty on there twice, and it has an AC adapter so you can plug it into the wall if you run out of battery juice. But these two batteries will have you running for 2 days straight. All right, so moving on. We have this Bosch rotary tool, but it's also a drywall cutout tool. And it is $129 with a free 4 amp hour battery and a charger. And I just kind of wanted to let you guys know about that, because as far as drywall cutout tools go, that's darn cheap, especially getting a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. So moving on. Now I wanted to show this also. Now yesterday I showed the Bosch Pro Factor impact wrench. If you want to see that, just go to the video yesterday or just look in the description. You get that link from there. But I did not mention that this hammer drill, this is on sale over at Lowe's for $154. And I thought, well, shoot, I think over at Lowe's you get a free 8 amp hour battery plus the big boy charger. And you do. You get this rapid charger with the 8 amp hour battery, or you can get two 8 amp hour batteries, which I would go for, and just go buy a charger. But really, this one kit is really all you need. But this, I mean, two 8 amp hour batteries is insane. For $199, I have this drill. It is very, very good. It has like angle detect. You can buy this little adapter for $18. Last time I checked, it was $18 on Amazon. And you can control it with your phone and change settings. It has anti-kickback, and you can turn that on and off because it's pretty sensitive on this one, on this Bosch, which is a good thing. So your wrist will be safe, but you can turn it off, especially if you're using a handle you don't really need it on. And it has angle detection to make sure you drilling straight holes. So $199, it's powerful. Now, as far as masonry though, and I'll link a video up here, you can see as far as hammer drills go, out of all the hammer drills in the world, this is like top 5. Now, as far as masonry goes though, the Metabo HPT is much better. It's smoother, it's quieter, and it gets through the masonry faster. The 36 volt Metabo HPT, but as far as everything else go, I would give it to this. And the Metabo HPT is a little bit lighter, and the ergonomics is a little bit better. It's grippy. It's hard to explain. When you hold it with your bare hand, it's super grippy, and I like that. So anyway, that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. Thank you guys for all your support. If you found my video valuable, I ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Join the Facebook groups. Lots of deals being posted there every single day, and I will see you guys next time.